Welcome students, class 11th chemistry equilibrium part 7, and in this part we will study the ionization of weak acids and bases, and that is governed by Ostwald's dilution law and relation in Ka and Kb. इस टॉपिक में हम स्टडी करेंगे वीक एसिड्स और वीक बेसिस का आयोनाइजेशन किस तरीके से होता है और ये ऑस्टवाल्ड्स डाइल्यूशन लॉ क्या है जिसके अकॉर्डिंगली आयोनाइजेशन ऑफ weak acids and bases explain किया जा सकता है. And we also study the relation in Ka and Kb. Ionization of weak acids. What is Ostwald's dilution law? इसको समझने के लिए let us consider the ionization of weak acid HX, which reacts with water, gives H3O positive and X minus. Suppose initial concentration is 1. At that time, H3O positive and X minus are 0. Alpha is degree of ionization. Degree of ionization means out of total molecules, how many are ionized. Fraction of molecules which are ionized. Total में से कितने molecules ionized हुए हैं और इसको हम निकाल सकते हैं ratio of the number of molecules ionized divided by total molecules. So degree of ionization is alpha. Equilibrium state explains the value of concentration of Hx is equal to C into 1 minus alpha. So C alpha are the particles of Hx ionized and same will be formed for H3O positive. जितने Hx ionized होंगे उतने ही H3O positive बनेंगे. These are C alpha, C alpha. So placing these values as per law of mass action, Ka is equal to product concentration H3O positive X minus divided by Hx is equal to C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha and equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. So Ka is the dissociation or ionization constant of the acid and it can be solved by using this formula. Normally we can ignore the 1 minus alpha value in this formula and calculate Ka is equal to C alpha square. Ka is a measure of strength of acid Hx at a given temperature. कितना कोई एसिड आयोनाइज होगा उसकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ होगी ये Ka से मालूम होता है and that is fixed at given temperature. Larger the value of Ka, stronger is the acid. And we know that just as pH is equal to negative log H positive ion concentration, the same way pKa is equal to negative log Ka. So larger the Ka, smaller will be pKa and stronger will be acid. So Ka suppose दिया गया है 10 to the minus 5 and this numerical value 5 will be pKa value for this acid. Knowing the value of Ka, initial concentration of the acid, it is possible to calculate equilibrium concentration of all species and degree of ionization of acid pH value. On the basis of same, it is the NCERT problem. The ionization constant of HF is 3.2, 10 to the power minus 4. Calculate degree of dissociation of HF in its 0.02 m solution. Calculate the concentration of all species present in it and its pH. One way we can calculate the formula by using the complete equation HF ionizes to give H3O positive and F minus, and applying the Ostwald dilution law we are having the concentration at equilibrium 0.02 into 1 minus alpha. H3O positive is equal to 0.02 alpha, F minus is equal to 0.02 alpha. And all these values are placed in this formula as given in the bracket. Ka is equal to C alpha square upon 1 minus alpha. So we find out first alpha value, and as the H3O plus concentration is equal to C alpha, so it can be calculated as 2.4 10 to the power minus 3 m. Having this value, we can find out the value of HF, that is equal to C into 1 minus alpha, and it is equal to 17.6 10 to the power minus 3 m. Now we can calculate pH value using the log table as we have discussed in last video. So we can calculate pH value using the formula negative log H positive ion concentration. Ionization of weak bases. As the weak acids, the same formula can be applied for the ionization of weak bases, and consider the equation MOH in aqueous solution gives M positive and OH negative ions. Using law of mass action को लगाते हुए Kb is equal to M positive OH negative divided by MOH, means product concentration divided by reactant concentration, and so Kb is the base ionization constant, and that will be in the same way as in the case of acids, C alpha into C alpha divided by C into 1 minus alpha, and in short we can take C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. So pKb is equal to negative log Kb. Stronger base have Kb high and pKb small. So higher is the Kb value, stronger is the base. Lower is the pKb value, stronger is the base. So for example, for solution Kb value is equal to 10 to the power minus 5, and this 5 value in numerical is the pKb value of this base. Example, calculate pH of 0.01 and solution of the acetic acid. Ka for acetic acid is given and find out pH value. इसके लिए हमें सबसे पहले find out करना होगा degree of ionization, because acetic acid is weak acid. Then we will find out the concentration of H positive ion, H3O positive ion, and then pH value. So let us consider acetic acid ionizes as acetic acid plus H2O gives acetate ion and H3O positive. So Ka value will be equal to H3O positive plus into CH3CO minus divided by CH3COH. So placing their values as per the law of Ostwald's law, K is equal to C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. Here K is given, C is given, so we can calculate alpha. And alpha is equal to calculated as 4.242 into 10 to the power minus 2, and H3O concentration will be equal to C alpha. Always concentration of H3O positive is C alpha. So we can calculate the value by multiplying with concentration. Then we will find out the pH of the solution. Relation between Ka and Kb. Acid dissolution constant Ka and Kb, these are related by this formula. We can calculate Ha plus H2O gives H3O positive and A minus, and Ka value is given. On right side, we divide and multiply the equation by OH. So it becomes H3O positive, A minus multiplied by OH negative divided by Ha into OH negative. As H3O positive and OH negative equal to Kw. So Ka is equal to value A minus H2O positive OH negative divided by Ha into OH negative. It is converted as A minus in reverse reaction. A minus plus H2O gives Ha and OH negative. It is the base, and for that we are having the relation Kb just opposite as A negative upon Ha upon OH negative equal to 1 upon Kb, because Kb is equal to Ha concentration OH negative concentration divided by A minus and H2O. So placing these values in the formula, we find out that Ka is equal to Kw by Kb, and Ka into Kb is equal to Kw. So we can calculate this formula for any acid. क्या होगा इनके एसिड और इसके कॉन्जुगेट बेस के आयोनाइजेशन कांस्टेंट में रिलेशन, वो हमेशा होगा Kw के इक्वलेंट. इन द सेम वे बेस को स्टार्टिंग में लेकर हम उसकी वैल्यू को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Kb is equal to BH positive OH negative divided by B, and right side we divide and multiply by H3O positive. So Kb becomes equal to BH positive OH minus H3O positive divided by B into H3O positive. Now Kb is equal to, it is calculated as in the same way using H positive in place of H3O positive. इन रिवर्स रिएक्शन व्हेन कॉन्जुगेट बेस इज टेकन, उसके लिए के ए होगा बिकॉज OH नेगेटिव इज कॉन्जुगेट base and BH positive is conjugate acid of B. So here Ka will be equal to B multiplied by H plus concentration divided by BH positive and BH positive upon B into H positive concentration will be equal to 1 upon Ka. So placing these values in the formula, Kb is equal to Kw by Ka and Ka multiplied by Kb is equal to Kw. तो हमेशा किसी भी एसिड के लिए वो जो आयोनाइज होता है उसका कॉन्जुगेट बेस बनता है। कॉन्जुगेट एसिड और कॉन्जुगेट बेस रिलेटेड टू देयर एसिड्स और बेसिस, उनके रिलेशंस निकाले जा सकते हैं। Ka इज इक्वल टू Ka इंटू Kb इज इक्वल टू Kw। आज के लिए इतना ही। Thank you. Keep watching. Like, share and subscribe.